Hi, Tim McTaggart, Chief Entrepreneur in Residence from QUT Blue Box here again. Congratulations on finishing the Startup Spark series. Throughout the 3 sessions that we've had, whether you've attended or worked at home, you've worked through value propositions, you've understood intellectual property and how to go through the commercialisation pathways, and you've also learned how to pitch that idea to people who can give you some help. It's been great having you there. We've seen some fantastic ideas and some real enthusiasm in the room. So you now are probably asking yourself, what can I do next if I want to pursue this pathway? Well, there are a range of options. One of them is eGrad School, which is offered by QUT. It offers 2 modules, one on research commercialisation and one on entrepreneurship. These are 5-week online modules, and you can access them through the link with the email that's come out with this video. The other options is to come to QUT Blue Box and talk to us. So we do research commercialisation for the university. We have startup programs including accelerators, mentoring programs, and we also have Uber Camp, which is a 2-day session focused on entrepreneurship run by one of the chief scientists of Queensland, ex-chief scientists of Queensland. So there's a range of options there. Again, you can reach out to QUT Blue Box through startup@qutbluebox.com.au if you've got any queries or any questions about any of those programs. So again, I congratulate you on showing some interest and enthusiasm and energy for entrepreneurship and to do more with your research beyond the confines of the university. And as always, if you've got any interest in doing a startup or building a business around your ideas, come and find us at QUT Blue Box. But congratulations again, it's been great fun having you, and I look forward to meeting you at some point and hearing about your great ideas.